Whether you are looking at redesigning as a new hobby, or you have discovered its potential and want to include it in your workflow, or you want to include redesigning as one of your new skills, there are a few things you need to know before getting started. Hello, I am Shamith, working as Product Development Officer at Addere Creations. In this video, I will be telling you what you need to know about 3D designing before getting started. 3D design is a process of creating three-dimensional representation of objects using specialized software. This representation called 3D design conveys object size, shape and texture. 3D design can be created for existing objects as well as new designs can be created. To create 3D designs, specialized softwares are required. Before learning more about 3D design software, let us try to learn about different types of 3D designing. Different types of 3D designing. Organic modeling. Organic modeling means modeling living things like plants, animals, humans, animate characters, etc. All of these things have irregular shapes with soft edges and not many hard geometric areas. CAD modeling. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design and covers a wide variety of design tools used by several industry professionals like architects, manufacturers, and engineers. In this type of 3D designing, we use a logic workflow and mathematical representations to create complex shapes. Let's move on to learn where 3D designing is used widely. Uses of 3D designing. Here are some of the areas where 3D designing is used at a large scale. Engineering, film or TV, video game development, architecture, sheet metal design, automotive parts, medical equipment design, cluster design, machine design, industrial design, mechanical design, manufacturing design, mechanical robotics design, advertising and marketing, product development, aerospace design, medical models, biology and science. These industries are the most common users of 3D. 3D designing is almost used in every industry. Now, let's move on to which software you can get started with. Software used for 3D designing. Here are some of the most commonly used 3D designing software for CAD designs. Solidworks, Fusion 360, SketchUp, Catia, Inventor, Creo, Tinkercad, FreeCAD, Design Spark Mechanical, OpenSCAD. And for organic design, the following are generally used software: Blender, Maya, Brush, Sculpt, 3ds Max, Vectray, Mesh Mixer, Unity, Unreal Engine, Cinema 4D, Rhino. Addere Creations provides a wide range of 3D design services to convert your idea into a virtual model and use it for numerous applications. We have a team of skilled and vehement designers who are updated to the best and they know what they do. With our team of experts, we provide a wide range of services to our customers in various domains. Do you have an idea of a product, part, or organic model to be 3D designed? Then you can talk to our team to understand how we can help you out. Check out some of the designs done by us at Addere Creations. Make sure to keep logged on to Addere Creations YouTube channel as we are going to upload more interesting videos like these. Subscribe if not yet subscribe to our channel, and please click on the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you for watching the video.